I love VIU because of the small classroom sizes. I really feel like I get a connection with my professors and my classmates. I'm very much of a choose-your-own-adventure person when it comes to writing papers or studying topics. At no point have I been told, no, like, you can't do that. I've been told that my ideas are ambitious before, but I've never been discouraged.
Creativity is my favorite thing about studying English. Kind of like a mishmash of disciplines, so I could write about philosophy, or I could write about history, or I could write from a feminist perspective.
It feels like a community, right? It's not sort of one way where I'm talking and they're listening. There's a lot of conversation, there's a lot of dialogue, and I find that students at VIU are really engaged. They have a lot of questions and they have a lot of opinions and a lot of things they want to say.
The campus itself is a microcosm of society. You get students here who are working in trades as well as in academic programs, and I think that brings diversity into the English classroom. We see students with a range of experiences based on culture, based on age, based on other work experience. And then also my colleagues, they're super passionate about English. They love their students and they're really supportive of their colleagues.
One thing that I really enjoyed about my time at VIU was being able to really connect with people who care about what they're teaching, but also I found who really genuinely cared about me. In this past year, I've taken several English courses that have really changed the way that I think and the way that I write as well.
The delightful freedom that profs have always lent me to pursue material that's off syllabus. I've gotten to write about hip-hop music, I've gotten to write about movies, I got to write about a video game for the first time this year. That's been really enriching for me on my own time. I get an opportunity to look at things that I already like and appreciate them more deeply.
I love teaching at VIU because I learn so much from my students. At its best, our classrooms are these multi-sonic and multicultural spaces where truth is worked out in dialogic engagement.
Having been a student here allows me a window into some of the challenges that some of our students might face. It's their willingness to come back here and face a lot of the challenges that they find in their way and see them be able to remove those obstacles to learning and success that I find my greatest joy in my role here.
It's not just 500 nameless faces and a professor with plenty of degrees but no personality. It's people that you get to know really well. I think studying English is about kind of getting into everyone else's minds, understanding everybody's life paths and where they're going and where they've been. Being able to do that in a department like VIU's English department is having that come to realization with the people that are around you. VIU is my perfect English department.